Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to achieve these super beautiful curls. And I'm using a couple of the brand new products from Oribe's Moisture and Control collection, which is specifically for curly and textured hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and start us off by spritzing my hair with water and then applying the styling butter to my hair. Now this is gonna work as my leave-in. I love this butter. It's super moisturizing. It has avocado oils and shea butter, and this is really going to moisturize my hair while styling, and it doesn't have any silicone in it, so it's going to treat your hair while it styles your hair. And then I'm gonna go in with the curl jelly. This is going to help define and add shine to my curls. It's also going to have macadamia and neem and apricot oils in it to help moisturize my hair. Again, this collection is really incredibly moisturizing, you guys, on top of keeping your style really nice and defined. And I love that this jelly has glycerin and panthenol in it, which will hydrate and condition my hair while protecting it from damage. And because I diffuse my hair, I like to make sure that my styling products also protect and moisturize my hair. So these products are gonna do just that. And as you can see, I'm just repeating this process through each section of my hair, using the styling butter and the curl jelly together, and then spritzing water here and there to make sure that my hair is super damp while I apply the products. I find that this allows my hair to set really, really nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish out this tutorial by diffusing my hair, and usually this takes me about 20 to 30 minutes or so to finish out. And once that diffusing is about 95% finished, I go in and start scrunching my hair and kind of breaking up those curls to just give it some volume. This does kind of give a little bit more air and fluff to your hair. So if you don't want that look, then feel free to skip this part, but I enjoy it because it gives my hair more volume. And that's it, you guys. That is how I achieve these gorgeous curls, super duper soft and bouncy. And I just love the movement that I get with these products while still being moisturized and healthy. Definitely head over to oribe.com to check out more of the Moisture and Control collection.